Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, oh yeah. I'm busy trying to take you higher, got no time for
Morning, and it is Wednesday the 23rd of August. It's our, how many days? 6th day?
I'm not sure.
I've lost track. But this morning we've got brunch booked at Trattoria al Forno, I can't say that, at the Boardwalk resort, followed by a day at Epcot, and then we might be meeting our friends later for dinner. Plans are little musings in the air of Cheesecake Factory, so maybe we'll do that, and we'll take you along for that.
all the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. 반짝이는 waves 향긋한 너를 향해 cocktail feeling 어제나 뿐일 때 태양의 너야 이 순간을 느껴 꿈이 아니니까 Dollars on a dolly with my homies, eco-friendly. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's
Skyline's cool, isn't it?
It's very cool. It is boiling hot again.
We are in a car park. Yeah, no, that's
31 degrees.
Yeah. When I was going to park the car, the shadow came across the skyline. I thought it was a car. And you like pulling out.
Here we are then, Boardwalk. Got a reservation at 10:45 this morning for breakfast, brunch, and then Epcot after that. This is cool. Disney's Boardwalk. Just walking into the main reception. Oh, it's nice. It's very nice. Ah, there's the freaky little chairs. We're just going to have a little wander around, see what it's about. This is pretty sweet. Yacht and Beach Club over there in the distance. And we're just coming out onto the boardwalk now. This hotel does have a lovely smell about it as well in the reception area. It's like a sea salty smell. So cool. Not that Coronado Springs isn't cool, but this is definitely appears to be like an upgrade. I love the fact that you get a balcony, and I know it would cost a fortune to have one overlooking this direction towards Epcot and the Yacht and Beach, but it's beautiful. Very nice. Joe's Margaritas over there. Ah, there's Trattoria al Forno, where we're going this morning. Flying fish.
Yeah, that is the beach.
It's really nice. iced coffees have just arrived. Eddie's tried his. Carly's going to try hers.
I need to try it. Oh, it is lovely.
Is it good?
Yeah, very nice. So nice. Mm-hmm.
Really nice?
It's like vanilla.
Yum. So we actually came here after watching a Kyle Palo video, didn't we? So we saw him come here and we saw him have these iced coffees and raved about it, and he had the steak and eggs, which we've ordered and just waiting for now. It used to be a character dining restaurant, but they've taken that away now, but it's really nice. Like an Italian themed restaurant with an open kitchen, open fire. Really nice. Just waiting for our food now. The service has been brilliant so far. So our breakfast has just arrived. Eddie's got eggs your way. So got the eggs over easy. I've got steak and eggs. Carly's got steak and eggs as well. And Charlie's got Mickey waffles with bacon and potatoes. He's covered them in syrup.
It's running. It's running.
Your eggs are good?
Yeah.
Delicious. Right, let's dig in. Smells amazing. Well, that was delicious. Really good. It is beautiful here. Sorry, you carry on and I'll start again.
I was going to say they all recognise the Ed Sheeran logo, that's what it is, isn't
Yeah.
it?
You know, when Ed Sheeran was doing his tour in America, he was wearing them on the stage. All the Americans were like,
Yeah, we keep getting comments about our shirts, the Ipswich shirt, because it's got the Ed Sheeran tour sponsors on it. The Americans seem to like it.
Americans like Ed Sheeran.
So,
Some
Upper Town.
Americans actually, after Ed Sheeran did his tour in America, that he's been wearing them on stage, and they're all like, "Where'd you get these from? They're so fire!" And they've all been ordering them.
So, Upper Town. Hopefully next year, Premier League.
Yeah, then everyone around the world will have them with Ed Sheeran.
I don't know about that. There's a long way to go yet. But we're just done at the Boardwalk now, and it is lovely. We're just walking back to our car now. Really nice hotel. Lovely food at Trattoria al Forno. Too much food.
I'm stuck.
Absolutely stuffed full. That's good though, because Charlie's 11 and they let him eat off the kids menu, don't they?
It was perfect.
And his was $9, which is really good value.
This is where we came in as well.
We'll wander down this path here to our car, and off we go to Epcot.
Woohoo, Guardians!
Hopefully, we've got to be on the ball at 1 o'clock to get us a slot.
I reckon there's more demand on the 7 a.m. one than the 1 o'clock one, because you have to be in the park for the 1 p.m. one.
Yes, you do. So we'll try and get that. So we're all parked up at Epcot, parking free again because we're staying on resort, and just walking up to the entrance.
Parked in the Hey Hey section.
We did park in the Hey Hey. We've learnt to pin our location on our Google Maps because at Animal Kingdom we could not find our car the other day, could we?
Like 10-15 minutes.
And it was boiling. So we're just walking up to the entrance now. It's just 12:05. Monorail. So cool. It looks quite busy inside the park. The queues are quite large already, but we'll see what we can get done. There it is, Spaceship Earth. Awesome. I love this park. Love it.
Yeah.
Haven't been here for so long. It's 2017. Still, we've been watching loads of videos. The construction walls are still up around, but Guardians wasn't here before. Ratatouille wasn't here before.
I thought Ratatouille was here.
No, that's new.
It's actually.
Yeah, we've been on it in France. Yeah.
Oh.
So I think first off we're going to go on Spaceship Earth. Let's see what the queue's like. So we just bagged some shade just under the monorail while we're waiting for 1 PM to try and book Guardian's virtual queue.
Yeah, because it's 12:56 right now.
12:56 right now. We just stood over by Seas with Nemo and Friends and Living with the Land. We're probably going to do Nemo next, and then we'll maybe do Soarin after that. Depends what the queues are like and what time we get Guardians, which I'm guessing isn't going to be till way later today. Yes. Spaceship Earth was good though, weren't it? Old school. Dame Judi Dench. Let's see if we can get these virtual queues booked. I'm just waiting to try and book Guardians. How long's left, Charlie?
Get ready. 20 seconds.
Ready?
20 seconds.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
104. Whatever that is. Route 104. Estimated wait 190 minutes.
Oh, that's not too bad.
We're in.
Yeah, let's go.
So while we're here, we'll grab a little bit of air conditioning in the Seas with Nemo and Friends. 10-minute standby. I don't think the water comes this far, Ed. Mine. Look at him. Oh wow. Look at the size of him.
A seahorse.
Look at this starfish. That is well cool. And then just behind it, a little seahorse.
Look, their tails are like
There's
curling.
loads of little seahorse.
They're like their tails like curling around.
And a massive shrimp up there, look.
Yeah.
Oh my, Mum, have you seen the shrimp? Look, these are big seahorse.
He's having a little swim. These dudes swim upside down
They're
or
hairy
facing downwards.
Yeah, what are they?
They're funny, aren't they?
They look like spiders. Well, a clothes shrimp.
Although to be fair, some of these seahorses there are quite big.
Here he is, Nemo. And there goes Dory.
Nemo's are so cute.
Have a little one there.
I like how the big yellow
one. Right, that was a lovely little bit of AC and a nice little sit-down ride, just to get us started off. And we're just wandering over to Living with the Land now, which is 25-minute wait for Soarin'. So
we see this thing over the fence over here. We don't know what it is, but it looks cool, and they're building it.
I think it's something to do with Moana.
It's got like water fountains shooting into each other.
Yeah.
We're not sure what it is.
No.
But they're building something over there.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they're building over there.
Looks cool though.
All behind construction walls. It is bloody hot. Bloody hot. Right, let's get in the land pavilion. Soarin' time, Charlie boy.
I love this ride.
Love it. Brilliant. It's got 35 minutes, but let's queue for it. That's fine.
Hello, welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
All done on Soarin. That was awesome as always. That was probably about a half an hour queue, I reckon. Not too bad. Now I think we're going to do Living with the Land whilst we're in here. Here we go, Living with the Land. Excited, Edward, for a little boat ride? 5 minutes standby, so it looks like it's a walk on, which is awesome, near the aircon. So we're done in the land. That was very good. You enjoy that, Chaz?
It's very long.
And we're just going over to Figment, Journey into Imagination, which is showing there's a 35-minute wait, which is unheard of, I think. But we're going to get it done. We're over this way. Oh, Winnie the Pooh's over there. Oh. Right, let's go and do this ride. I always remember this as a kid, the upwards waterfall. It is still roasting hot. It smells of cheese around here.
Nothing, it looks like.
Oh, there's the bouncing fountains that me and my brother played with in 1994. 35-minute wait this is showing, but it's all indoors, and that has got the air conditioning, which is awesome because it is roasting hot, 33 degrees Celsius. I had a Figment Teddy when I was 10. Ed. There he is, Eric Idle. The air conditioning is lovely.
The queue used to be big for this.
I can't remember queuing. I must have queued a long time in the 90s when we came, but I don't think we brought you boys on here in 2017. Did we come on here in 2017?
No, we didn't.
We didn't come on this in 2017, did we? No. That is not 35 minutes if the ride is over there.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Michael Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste.
Well, Journey in Imagination is a cool little ride. I quite like it. It's very sweet.
I've never been on it before, so.
No, the boys have never been on that. That reminds me of being a kid. It's really nice. I'm glad they haven't got rid of that or changed it.
Which way is it?
We're going over now towards Test Track, which I think is over that way. Is this the bit they normally like decorate for Flower and Garden? I can hear Test Track. It's Food and Wine Festival at the moment. Flower and Garden Festival, they decorate all that grass bit with flowers. Make it look really pretty. I can hear Test Track. We're heading in the right direction.
That's
Test track trying, baby. 50-minute standby, not too bad. We queued for hours back in 2017 for this. Yes, here we go, 50 minutes. So, Ed's just finished designing our car, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
Gone for power, gone for muscle power.
Look, we've got it pretty balanced out.
Yeah.
The power is like...
Power's maximum, but efficiency, not too good. Charlie is, surprise, surprise, designed a red car.
This is already the fastest ride we've been on today.
We'll begin with a capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
This is where we win.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Oh my god.
Look at the size of it.
Yeah.
It's big as our house. Look at the wheels on that bad boy.
Massive.
Chevrolet Tahoe.
What?
And now we're going to go and see what this club call's all about. Test a few drinks. Just before we go and ride Guardians. Oh, that aircon is lovely. Here we go. Let's test some. What are you trying then? Raspberry from Moldova.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, watermelon. That's really nice. Try that.
Go on then, I'll test me a bit of the Beverly Chaz.
Oh god. Are you sure you want to drink that, Dad?
Let's give it a go. That's not bad.
This is really good. You'd like that.
Sour plum flavour.
That's quite nice. I expected it to be like tonic water, but that's quite nice.
That is horrible.
China. Let me try the watermelon.
Try that. No,
Let me try it.
The Philippines one's good.
Go on, let's get a new cup.
That'll do.
That one's not very nice.
Watermelon Fanta. Try the Beverly, it's actually quite nice.
I will want to.
That's super sweet.
That one's really good. That one's
What's the bonbon anglaise like? Madagascar.
Quite sweet. That one's horrible.
I'm going to try that.
Dad, try that. Try that one.
Well, you remember when you were pregnant, you had an issue with light cheese.
Can you believe it? If it's that hot.
Sour plum. Go on then. That'll do. China. That is rank.
What's the taste of?
I don't even know.
Smells like. Oh, it smells like barbecue.
Yeah, no, literally, try a little. No, I don't want to.
That's good. That's nice.
I had to get a new cup after that.
Let me try a bit of this.
It's nice.
Moldova. Raspberry.
It's really good.
It's a bit sweet. My favourite is Beverly. You try it. Honestly, it's nice.
It's not like tonic. It's
quite nice.
It tastes like these. Did you say this one's nice?
Like it?
I That weren't my favourite. It's okay. I probably like that watermelon Philippines one.
What about this apple lychee minute maid margarita? That's nice.
Yeah?
It's like a juice, sort of.
That is really nice. I've tried that one, and that one. They're really good.
Try a little bit and try that one.
No, don't. It tastes like, it smells like barbecue, but doesn't taste like it.
It literally, it tastes so horrible.
That's the worst one.
Why would you?
Beverly, not bad. Don't know.
Why would one smell it?
I don't know why a drink would smell of barbecue.
Yeah, exactly.
That was not good, that one. It's pretty cool in here though, for free, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like it.
Cucumber Sprite from Russia.
I like it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Let Charlie have a sip.
Try it.
I'll try a bit.
It tastes like sweet.
I like it.
Quite nice. Try that.
I can't imagine that one.
Cucumber
No,
Sprite.
you haven't.
How is it now?
No, it's not. It's actually nice.
All 92.99.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's nice and fresh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get one another raspberry one.
He's going to be sick, that boy.
It's like, you can't really taste anything out of that cucumber Sprite. No, it's just a bit fizzy. Like,
I liked it.
the taste that you can get is sweet, not
Yeah.
how to watery like a cucumber. It's more sweet.
I think we're getting our first rain of our trip. Certainly smell the rain, so we're going to go in this lovely big shop while we wait for Guardians. The Guardians merch is class.
Wait, I have to. How am I?
You put that in the back of your head. That's cool.
Not Star-Lord, no.
So you can get an entire Infinity Gauntlet, which moves, but it costs $99.99, is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, $99.99. And then you got to collect the gems on
Yeah,
top.
I'm guessing you actually have to get the gems.
And I guess that they do stuff. Does that thing work? That's pretty cool, though.
They have an Iron Man one.
Just found that they've got a load of Food and Wine Festival merch.
Cool, actually.
It is cool. They've got a Spirit jersey there. A couple of cool
have a back.
shirts. Some Food and Wine ears. But I do like this mug. It's like a Starbucks Been There series mug. $19.99. It's really cool.
Look how cool this t-shirt is. That on the front, that on the back.
That is cool. We've got a lounge fly. Got a Christmas ornament. There's the lounge flies. Wine glasses, normal glasses. Like tumbler type things. And that is a jazzy shirt. And then more stuff over there as well. Chopping boards and all sorts. Really cool.
We're ready.
Just been called the Guardians, so let's go and do it. Exciting.
Yes.
Wonder what tune we're going to get.
I think it's going to be better than Tron.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Tron was good. Let's see how good this is.
They're different. But this one has a backwards launch that goes 60 miles an hour, so...
Oh, could make me feel a bit squiffy at that. But let's give it a go. It's supposed to be smooth.
This is like the hot mist.
Hot mist.
Hot mist.
Hot mist.
Kind of. It is absolutely mist.
This is cool. So this used to be the universe of energy back in the day, and they used to go through like a big theatre type ride that then split into massive train type things with Ellen commentating on it. But now it's Guardians of the Galaxy. Very exciting. Oh, I'm pleased with the aircon already.
Peter item on the disc worth sharing with the universe is the musical message from Voltaire, Chuck Berry.
Wow, this is well cool. I love it. Thoughts?
Better than Tron in my better.
That was bloody good.
And
And we had a banging tune as well. I ran. Absolutely quality. Loved it. Smooth as anything. Very good ride. Took about just an hour to queue, I reckon. Yeah. Excellent. Then we're just in the shop now. I love the Guardians films anyway, so very cool. It's just clouded over a lot, and the temperature is much more bearable, although it's 32 degrees still. We just placed a mobile order for some dinner at Connections Eatery. Our friends have just texted to say that they're going to come and meet us at about 7 PM. It's just gone 6 o'clock now, so then when they get here we'll go and do some more rides with them. Well, I must say, mobile order is a piece of cake. Massive bits of pizza we got. Eddie's got a chicken sandwich, Carly's got pizza, Charlie's got a cheeseburger and fries, and a couple of drinks. We mobile order and used our voucher that we got. Gradually caning through that. Not a lot of that left. But yeah, let's dig in. We're just off to the Mexico Pavilion, met with our friends, and we're going to go and ride Grand Fiesta Tour. So clever how they make it look like it's nighttime indoors and like you're outside. The smell is Mexican food cooking over there. How cool are them skulls? Let's go and get in this queue, shall we?
Taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
All done with Grand Fiesta Tour, so we're just heading on out. We're going to make our way over towards Norway and get in the queue for Frozen. That was a good little ride, that. I like that. Lovely theming. It's a banger, is it?
Yeah. I've got this on my summer playlist.
Get on the guitar, Charles. Yeah, that.
We just took forever to get on Frozen, right?
We did take forever. 65 minutes that was.
Yeah.
It was good though.
I would have rather gone on Ratatouille, I think.
Well, they're both good. Been on Ratatouille before, haven't we?
Yeah, I've been on Frozen before too.
Yeah, but we've been on that more recently.
There's another banger on. There before we did.
back in the room. That weren't a bad little drive back from Epcot. We stayed right to the end and saw the fireworks. Met up with our mates earlier tonight. We rode Frozen with them and then watched the fireworks together. So that was really nice. Tomorrow the plan is to meet up with our friends again, but we're going to Anna Maria Island and going to the beach. A couple of snacks when we get there, and then not sure what the plans are for tomorrow night yet. Bit up in the air at the moment, where we're going to eat or what we're going to do. So we'll take you along for that. Thanks for watching.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever.